to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me Valentine's Day edition. So I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look, and also I'll be sharing 2 different outfit ideas for Valentine's Day. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing yet on Valentine's Day, and I most likely will just be alone because I do work until 11 that night, and I mean I don't have a boyfriend, so but Valentine's Day is fun, and that's why I wanted to film this get ready with me. Valentine's Day is just an excuse to be festive and wear a red lip, and I don't know about you guys, but I definitely do not wear a red lip on the regular. But yeah, it's just fun to be festive and to wear what makes you feel good. It's just fun to dress up and have fun and look pretty and do what you want. Who cares if you don't have someone to spend it with, because you're spending it with yourself and you love yourself. So yeah, no matter what you're doing on Valentine's Day, I suggest getting ready and being festive because it's fun. And what other day of the year is it acceptable to wear both red and pink together? Which I honestly didn't do in this video, but if you want to, go for it. So if you're interested in how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I'm just doing this makeup look as I go. So if sometimes I don't really look like I know what I'm doing, it's because I don't. So I'm gonna start off with the L'Oreal Hydra Genius Face Moisturizer. Oh, it's so cooling. And it makes my makeup look really smooth and my face actually look hydrated because I have naturally pretty dry skin, especially now that it's winter, but this stuff works really good. So I've been using the Maybelline Master Prime in shade 001. Oh, just kidding, in shade 100. I was reading it through the viewfinder and it was backwards. So also I would suggest not to buy this primer because I don't really notice what it does. It says it's supposed to blur and smooth. I guess it does do that, but I feel like I need a better primer. It does feel really nice on your skin. So next I'm taking the Maybelline. I like Maybelline and you'll be able to tell throughout this video, but I'm gonna use the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse in shade 60 Sandy Beige. I just picked this up and I've only used it like twice so far, but I like it. It stayed on my face all day. It looks pretty smooth, and the color, it's so hard for me to find a good foundation color, but I think I did pretty good with this one. So I'm just gonna dab it all over my face, literally like this. And yeah, that's my makeup routine. Thanks for watching. You should definitely wear this, especially if you're going on a first date on Valentine's Day, because people will just be so awestruck by your beauty. Subscribe. Okay, that was a joke. So yeah, I always use my beauty blender. I actually don't have a foundation brush anymore. I kind of want to get one again, but I've been using a beauty blender for like, what, 2 years now? I mean, beauty blenders definitely, I feel like, give you the best like finish, but also they eat up so much makeup, so I kind of want to do a combination of a foundation brush and a beauty blender, I feel like. But yeah, that's what happened another time. Also, I always blend down the neck like a little bit, just because I do have such a hard time finding the right shade of foundation. It never actually matches perfectly. But honestly, just do what feels right for you, because on Valentine's Day and on any other day, if you're feeling good, you'll have a good day. If you're not feeling good, well, that's on you and you won't have a good day. So do what feels good. If you want to blend down the neck, blend down the neck. If you don't, then don't. So on this Valentine's Day, I don't have a date. I'm probably not going out. I don't even know, is Valentine's Day on I think it's on a Tuesday. So I have work and I work until 11 at night, so I'm probably not going to be doing anything. So yeah, like, see how much that matches? That matches pretty well. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but I think that matches pretty well. And I have a tiny bit of fake tan on. Okay, and then next I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 15. I'm just gonna put this under my eyes, a little right here, a little right here, a little bit right here, just to brighten up certain areas of my face, but you guys probably know the drill. So on this Valentine's Day, I'm single, and I'm just gonna take the day to like really show love for myself and family and friends, and be happy and appreciative that other people are happy in relationships, and just know that it's out there, and when the right time presents itself, I will be in a relationship. But right now it's just not there for me, but there's a reason for that. There's always a reason for that. I've had boyfriends pretty much on and off since high school, and now is like the first time where I actually am like completely 100% single. If any of you girls are single out there and it's making you sad or you wish you had someone, like, just embrace the time to be single now, because when you do get in a relationship, you won't be able to do like things for yourself, you know? You won't be able to be as selfish as you can be right now, so just like embrace it, enjoy it. Now's your time to really like find out what kind of guy you like, who's the right person for you, what you're looking for, what you need in a relationship. Really just reflect on past relationships, reflect on yourself. It's the time time to shine and be the best version of yourself that you can be. So honestly, there's no reason to be upset. Show love for what you do have and who you do have in your life on Valentine's Day, and you'll be happy and you'll be fulfilled. And if you love yourself, even better, but no reason to cry. I hope that made sense. So anyway, also I want a new brow product. This is just the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in medium. I just don't really care about my brows that much, but I do want something better. So I'm just using this brown shade and using the end of this brush, and I literally just lightly just fill them in because my eyebrows are pretty light. I like them a little darker. I don't add shape, I don't define them much, but maybe I should start doing that. Oh, and then I just brush out my eyebrows with this side of the brush. But anyways, honestly, this Valentine's Day I feel like is gonna be one of the better ones. Maybe I'll go outside, go on a walk, go treat myself to some coffee or chocolates or something, you know? Treat yourself. Just do something that you wouldn't usually do, like take a bath. Oh my gosh, yeah, take a bath with tea or wine, or make yourself chocolate covered strawberries, and boom, like that's something you don't usually do on a normal day, right? Honestly, if you want a relationship that bad, take that day to just like feel all the good emotions of being in a happy relationship, but just feel the love like within yourself and let it just start manifesting into your life on Valentine's Day. And maybe, you know, in a month or two, you'll be in a happy, loving relationship. It'll be because you took time for yourself on Valentine's Day and really focused on what you want and the feelings that it gave you. And 2 months down the road, maybe even a couple weeks down the road, you're in this beautiful relationship. So yeah, just take the time for yourself. Okay, enough about that. Back to the makeup. So I'm going in with my e.l.f. I already took the lid off. I'll put it back on. I'm going in with the e.l.f. translucent powder. It's called something else in the store, but it's obviously the only white powder. But I'm just gonna take this brush and put some on the tip, which I already kind of did, and I just set around my mouth because my smile lines always come out no matter what. My smile lines just are very dominant on my face, but I've noticed with setting them with powder that they're definitely less noticeable. Anyway, and then I also set my eyelids and then under my eyes, lightly setting my forehead. And then next I'm going in with the Tarte Volume 3 contour palette. So I'm going in with the same brush and the darkest shade in the palette to contour. And I'm gonna do it kind of heavy. I contour my cheeks, I contour my forehead, and then my jawbone. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with this lower color right here. And I'm just gonna like bronze up now with this. So like a little messier than my contour, but like around where I contoured. Okay, so now that I feel like a bronzed goddess, I'm going to do my blush. So I'm going in with this Milani Baked Powder Blush in the color 01 Dulce Pink. I've had this forever and it looks like I haven't even used it, but this shade is so pretty. Perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm going with the same brush. I know this is probably not right. I know I need to get new brushes, but I'm working with what I have right now. So I'm just gonna lightly pat it and just put it on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, and now I'm gonna set my face makeup with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. They say that's a dupe for the Urban Decay, which I have on the floor right here. I'm doing it with my feet. Okay, they say it's a dupe for the Urban Decay makeup setting spray, which I have in this one, the Chill one. But honestly, I don't think it works as good. So if you can, and if you want to, I would say splurge on the Urban Decay one. Honestly, this one's bigger too. And this one I think was 30 if I'm remembering correctly. And this one was like 10. So in the end, like honestly, I would just go with this one. Now for the eye makeup. I'm gonna take my Tartelette Tease eyeshadow palette, going with this eyeshadow brush with like the, I guess it's like the blending brush. But I'm gonna go in with a mixture of Whisper and Wink. So now, I've gotta make some decisions. So I'm gonna go in with, what brand is this? Oh, L'Oreal. With L'Oreal's eyeshadow in shade 888. And I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, Iced Latte. So I'm gonna go in with this all over my lid and use my flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna wet it first with my setting spray so that it really stays on my lids and like enhances it. But yeah, like look at that shade. Super shimmery, super Valentine's Day. Put that all over my lid. Okay, see, isn't that pretty? Now I'm gonna go back with this eyeshadow brush, but I'm gonna take this middle shade in Crush. This is like the perfect palette for Valentine's Day, guys. Like, come on. Anyway, so I'm gonna take Crush. And I'm gonna go on the outer corners of my lids. But yeah, I'm hoping this will just darken that up a bit and add some definition. I don't like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go on top of that with Heartbreaker, the brown. I'm just gonna do it really lightly because this shade is so pigmented. Okay, that's much better. And then I'm gonna take this side and just go under my waterline. So I'm really debating on if I should do black eyeliner or not. Yeah, let's just do it. This is a go all out makeup look. So we're just gonna do it. So I'm gonna do a light wing. Oh, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise. Okay, so that's the eyeliner. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Okay, I dropped that one, but good thing I have another one. So I'm going in with Maybelline once again. Yo. Okay, before we go in with this, I skipped a step, but I'm gonna set my brows with this Sonia Kashuk eyebrow gel. Just doing this to keep my eyebrows in place because I hate when my eyebrows get out of place. Okay, now we can go in with this Lash Sensational mascara. Yo, whoa. Yo, I'm struggling today. Do you see this? I just got the biggest clump. So, pro tip, I use a very old, but very dried out makeup, whatever this is called. I use this to clean up my lashes if I ever get clumps like I just did, and it works so well. Okay guys, I don't know what's up today, but I missed another step that I have to do. So I'm just gonna go back. I would usually do this while I'm contouring my face, but I forgot to contour my nose. So I'm just gonna go in with this dark shade again and just lightly contour my nose. Might have contoured a little dark, but that's fine. Okay guys, I just took a quick break. I was thirsty and I wanted a bite of a donut, so I did that. Anyway, I'm just gonna go over my eyelashes again because I want them bigger. Alright, so eyes are done. I'm gonna do a red lip for y'all for Valentine's Day. But I'm just gonna go in with this coconut lemongrass lip balm from the brand Enhance Me. I always moisturize my lips before I put any product on them because my lips are like pretty dry also, just like my skin, and they get like wrinkly looking if I don't, so I have to. So this is one product I actually don't recommend, but the only reason I'm using it is because it's the only red lip liner I have. But it's the Milani Color Statement lip liner in shade 2. And the reason I don't recommend it is because it rubs off really easily. Oh my god, this tag has been on this whole time. I'm leaving it. So just use a different red lip liner. But yeah. And like look, the color also isn't the best. And probably shouldn't talk and do lip liner at the same time. Okay, ignore the lips. Okay, so I'm going in again with the Milani in shade 67, the Matte Confident. Also wouldn't really recommend. I mean, it's okay, but it also comes off easily. And please ignore my lip liner. It's not the best red color, but again, it's what I have, so it's what I'm using. Okay, that's the best I can do for the red lip because, to be 100% honest, Milani formula is just too, like, it goes on too easily and it comes off too easily. It just doesn't work for me. Oh my god, I forgot the #1 step: highlight. Because like I said, I want to be extra and highlight. Come on. So I'm going in with this sleek makeup palette. Hello guys. I'm going in with this peachy pink one down here, and this stuff is so nice. You see that? Yes, I'm gonna do my nose, a little bit right here, and then I'm gonna go over with again the Tarte palette, this one, just to add a little bit more glitter. There we go. Okay, and then I'm also going to take the same highlight from the Sleek palette and just highlight my collarbones. This is like pro tip, especially for Valentine's Day. Okay guys, that's the makeup look. Okay, and then for my hair, so I just braided it in 2 like pigtail, what it was called, French braids. So I did 2 separate French braids last night. I braided it when my hair was wet, went to sleep, woke up, and took them out once it dried. So that's how I got my hair. Also, my hair is like naturally curly, so that makes my curls more defined. I used absolutely no heat on my hair today. So yeah, that's my hair and makeup, and now on to the outfit. Okay, so for outfit 1, I'm just wearing this black silky slip as a dress, but the lace detailing just makes it so perfect for Valentine's Day, and it's so comfortable and soft and feels so good. And you could wear this with a bralette underneath. I didn't have one that looked right with this dress, so that's why I'm not wearing one, but it would definitely look good with one. And for when you get cold, you can just throw a sweater on top and it makes it that much more comfy. For shoes, I decided to just go with basic black heels. And then for outfit number 2, I wanted it to just be more casual, so I decided to wear this silky white top with my red lace bralette underneath, and I decided to pair that with black high-waisted ripped jeans. And for shoes, I wanted to keep them casual as well, so I decided to wear black booties. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what you're doing on Valentine's Day, because I just want to know what everyone's doing. And if you want to stick around and hang out with me, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me, and I'm ready to have a lot of fun. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below, and I will love you forever and be your Valentine, because I think you can have multiple Valentines, right? So yeah, peace out.